You can expect a lot from the 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. All of the following features are included: one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, and much more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 2 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. We are here to help you